stretching help at all? Or?
So think about this way. So your muscle should act like a rubber band. When you contract and relax, it should stretch like this. When you have a scar tissue, it's like you have a knot in a rubber band. So when your muscle contract, it does not stretch much.
Yeah.
Okay? So stretches will not gonna break the scar tissue. It's like you pulling the band.
It's tighter? Okay.
Yes. Over stretching will cause micro tear and will cause more scar tissue. Actually, study shows you do stretching, you're causing more inflammation than if you overstretch. And if you overstretch, you injure yourself. That's why I don't give my patients stretching, because there's higher chance of injury from the stretch than benefit. So it's better to do the function training, ergonomics, body mechanics, and regular exercises.